A baby all I don't want fucking see. You know, carry on baby for me all entire month to this month, last month to the committee, this month to the committee. Ah no, me can't see nothing. And my body or phone nobody. She are coming up? That's really belly. My cocky will come suck me out with him big old nose. You mute. Me just see. Me see it. See it, man. Me see it. But anyways, Akiwa can't contact about nothing about me. Cause me and him never sit down and have no conversation. Me and that dirty boy never sit down and have no conversation. So when you lie, them come tell about me, a woman come up in an inbox about say me pregnant. Cause me and him never sit down and have no conversation say me pregnant, you know. I'm not pregnant. Too much time I have to repeat myself. Me not pregnant. I'm not having a baby. All I wanna look for baby, me never dash in a belly. Cause why would I dash a belly and my mother came from planet Earth? Why would I dash a belly and my mother came from planet Earth? That make fucking sense? Me would have a heart for dash for a child. My mother never dashed me when me in her belly, so me not go dash no belly. Anything come here, Akiwak go hospital. Me got hospital with Akiwak. On a black, who forget black man? On too fucking disgusting. No time, one time from morning. If I got hospital, I have to go early, right? You have to go early. You a liar. Come suck me out, girl. Can I join? No, I can't join. If you got hospital, I forgot hospital early, right? Every early morning, me dey on live. Me dey on live until like 12 o'clock and me shit. Because I don't know, say hospital full up on the shit. Private doctor, me no got a private doctor. I'm not pregnant. If you take a test for life for sure, say I'm not pregnant, so I can't stop call up my name. But I do it a long time, I can't stop call up my name. Because it's not a good thing, bro. It's not a good thing on I do, brother. It's half for views, but me not got a private doctor. Me not got a private doctor, brother. Me tell you things that me not do. Me not go private doctor. And my body, so I'm supposed to know the difference. And if me pregnant, me supposed to know the baby father. Me not pregnant. There's no difference in my body. You know what, I don't have time to explain to you, because you come like fuckery. Cheap black like fuckery, brother. You no fool your fret. And on my body this. And I don't know nobody, so I'm not supposed to know the difference. You know, I eat that, brother. And I come out here and tell you say nothing no go, so one is supposed to do. Not believe it, but you know I believe the other side because I love fuckery. I love fuckery, bro. That is the thing. I mean, not keep up with you now. But I still say, if you don't want to see result, you just follow the page and you'll see the result. That is it. Cheap black like fuckery. Anybody wants the result, just follow the page. Follow the page. What? What you say? I have your information. You did it. Pussy girl, pussy. First thing you don't know me name, you don't know me right name, no bitch. So post it. Me want to see that. Post it. Post it. Any information I have for me, post it. That me want to see. Post it. Post it, make me see. Post it. Black who forget fucking black moderator. Post it. Since you have information, post the fucking information. Me not stop you. Me not stop you. Post the information. Post it. Me not add nobody. Me not like. How wicked people them humble. They wicked you forge you. They think say they're different from share. Cause they love mix up. Girl, me not the first and the last, yes, but I'm telling you I don't do nothing. I'm telling you that I'm not pregnant. I was never pregnant. I'm telling you that you're just deaf, or no deaf. Now saying as I explain myself to people and I know blood clot sense. Now I explain myself to one, brother. Have you choose him so they filter pregnancy pan jazz? Uno do it to jazz, uno do it to other teenager out there. Young look what them uno do it to, brother. Uno need to stop now. And you girl not pregnant. I saw no stay, brother. Of course, me have more sense than you ugly girl. Cause me, you know so me have more sense than you. Cause I no waste my time in my comment section and comment. Monday I waste my time in a comment section. But Jazz was actually pregnant. Jazz never pregnant, brother. And that we two know. Fake news. My blood clap here.